Thinking about putting a mini split in multiple rooms? Most people think they're saving a bundle by going with a budget multi-zone system, but there is a massive trap waiting for you. It's not just about the upfront cost. It's about how much you're willing to gamble on a machine that might leave you sweating in 2 years with no way to fix it. I'm your HVAC repair guy. I spent years as a Navy nuclear electrical operator working on systems where failure wasn't an option. Now, with over 17 years in the field, I look at residential gear with that same critical eye. I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on inside these boxes, so you don't end up with a very expensive wall decoration. Today, we're comparing the Higher Advanced Plus series and the Hykolity Multi-Zone series. These are two completely different approaches to ductless comfort. One is a high-efficiency single-zone workhorse built for longevity, while the other is a multi-room solution designed to get you up and running for the lowest possible entry price. Both of these brands source their equipment from China. In the world of HVAC, that's standard for these price points, but the real difference is in the support. Haier is a global giant with a massive parts infrastructure. Hykolity is much newer to the scene and operates more like a direct-to-consumer brand, which can make a big difference when you need a control board on a Tuesday in July. You've got to protect those coils. Both units use coated coils to fight off corrosion. This is vital because once your coil starts pitting and leaking, the unit is basically garbage. It's the difference between a system that lasts 12 years and one that dies in 4. The Haier pulls ahead with a 21.0 SEER rating, while the Hykolity Multi-Zone sits at a 20.0 SEER. The price gap here is significant because of the system types. The Haier Advanced Plus single zone averages around $1,534. The Hykolity Multi-Zone averages about $2,749. You're paying over $1,200 more for the Hykolity, but you're getting multiple indoor units. The question is the lower quality worth the convenience? This is the deal breaker. Haier stands behind their gear with a 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty. The Hykolity only gives you 1 year on parts and 3 years on the compressor. In the HVAC world, a 3-year compressor warranty is a loud warning bell that the manufacturer doesn't expect the unit to live a long life. No matter which one you buy, you have to keep the filters clean. If that airflow gets restricted, your coil will ice up and stop cooling. Check those filters every single month. Winner, Haier Advanced Plus series. I cannot in good conscience recommend a system with only a 3-year compressor warranty for a multi-zone setup. If you buy the Hykolity and the compressor fails in year 4, which happens more than you'd think, you are out nearly $3,000. The Haier is a much more robust, professional-grade piece of equipment with a warranty that actually protects your investment for a decade. Don't gamble on your home comfort, shop like a pro. If you want to see how these units stack up against the top-tier brands, check out the head-to-head tool on HVAC Dash for dashbeginners.com.